Let's quickly talk about data analytics pipeline on AWS. When we want to build a data analytics pipeline on AWS, there are different layers involved into it. Ingestion layers, storage layers, processing layer, and consumption layer. Also, there will be a catalog and governance layer as well as security. So when we're talking about ingestion layer, if you want to do event-based ingestion or a batch-based ingestion or different way of ingesting data. When we want to ingest data by using event streaming, at that time we are able to use AWS MSK services that allow us to ingest data into Kafka topic, and that we can process to ingest into our database. Another way is we are also able to use Amazon Amazon Kinesis data firehose services to ingest those data into our data lake. So whenever we stream those data through MSK or a Kinesis into our data lake in S3, those data will come into raw format. Then processing layer come into picture. The processing layer having a different services like AWS Glue that will process those raw data and make it curated, make it those clean format of data, right? Derived data. And once we get those derived data, on top of that we are able to run our AWS Glue job or a EMR based services, job services that will transform those data into actual clean format version which we needed in our data lake in S3. So in S3 we will build a data lake, and at the end once processing Glue job will process those data and transform into clean version. Those S3 data will be used in consumption side. On consumption side, there will be a Amazon Athena will be able to query those data directly from S3, as well as we are able to use QuickSight but GUI based business intelligence tool that will get a data through data analytics services like Redshift. So those clean version of S3 data will be go into Amazon Redshift, that is the analytics services, and from Redshift analytic database those data will goes into QuickSight, and QuickSight will show those data in analytic GUI format. Also we have a data lake, we have a data analytics services also, right? So based on that data lake clean data, we are also able to run our SageMaker or a models to train our data and all the other stuff, right? So we are able to run AI on top of this data. So this way we also able to do we use AWS lake formation for a fine graded governance and permissions and security and other stuff. So this way we are able to build an entire data analytics pipeline on AWS. There are a lot of other services as well, but these are the key important topic on AWS data analytics. Thank you.